How to slow down TikTok videos. So basically, if you would like to slow down your TikTok videos or the playback speed while you're watching them, it's very simple. Just a simple tip here is that if you want to increase or maybe increase the playback speed, right, which means not to slow but to fast forward it, while you're playing the video, you can just hold on either the left side or the right side of the video, and you can see the speed will be actually forwarded 2 times. But since we're talking about slowing down the video, right, so for slowing down we don't have any shortcut like this, right, so whether on the left or right. But what we can do is we can tap the share option from the bottom right. If you scroll and look for an option here, you'll find something called playback speed. So you can tap on the playback speed, and slow means basically 0.5x. so we have that. You can choose between 2x, 1.5x normal, which we're currently on, or 0.5x. Then once we've done that, we can play that video and you can see it will open up slowly. Now this setting will only remain for this video, because as soon as you swipe to the next video, it will switch back to the normal playback speed. But if you want, you can slow down this video as well. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.